Hey, what's going on? In this video, we're going to look at the shipping details or the shipping settings inside of your workspace. So if you're here, come on over and check out the shipping details. And what's going to come out of this is you're going to set up a shipping profile. Now you can set this once you've got everything connected over at Shippo. You can actually connect everything with all of your other shipping services like UPS, FedEx, DHL, USPS. You can actually set everything up there, but what you're going to want to do is come over here and just set up your general profile and then come over to the settings, and you can actually set up multiple different profiles if you'd like, and this will show you what products everything is applied to. So where everything is coming from, that right now it's set to anywhere because we're not really using any specific profile, but you can set those rates. You can go inside of here and set what those rates would be, come into the settings. And then what you can do is just give it a name, give it a price. We're going to discard this, but we could add a rate. You could add a zone, which would be your locations. So we could actually give this a new rate name, which might be, let's see, international shipping or continental United States. United States, could do that and then give that a price. Up here where it says use a third-party service to calculate live rates, you can actually check that and it will say configure Shippo in your shipping settings. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on shipping settings and it will give you the ability to set up Shippo, which is right now, as of the time of this recording, the only integration that you can set up. So when you get this set up, you just connect this to your live Shippo account. Go over to Shippo, I think it's goshippo.com, and then you can actually set up your accounts, set up all those different shipping profiles over there. And it's going to give you a much more dynamic shipping value effect. Okay, so that way it's based on current rates and it'll apply towards everybody's zip code, wherever they are, wherever that item that you're shipping is going to be shipped. So you only really have to set this up once. You might have to come back in every now and then and just make sure that it's still connected and using the API. So you're going to click on connect. You're going to log into your Shippo account, go through a couple little hoops, and it'll eventually just connect to it, and they'll talk back and forth. The API will automatically connect. Okay, we're going to go back to the shipping information, and you'll see that we had profiles, we had integrations, live rates. Here, live rates at checkout are disabled because we have to connect that shipping provider. So once you have Shippo connected, you're going to have more information here in the live rates, and then you can come in here and actually create package prices over here. Okay, so depending on what you have that you want to ship, what you want to create, you can actually put a lot of this information right in here. I think your best bet, honestly, is just to hook up Shippo. You're going to pay maybe a little bit more, but a lot of that data and all that shipping and handling information is probably going to be pushed back to the customer at the end of the day. So you do whatever works out best for you, but I do recommend, especially if you're shipping physical goods, definitely come in here and get all this set up ahead of time before you really start, dealing with your funnel. I know everybody wants to build a funnel first, but once you get these little things that we're talking about here in CF Kickstart out of the way, it's going to make your life a lot easier and a lot simpler because all of that's already set up. All you have to do is create your product and connect it to your funnel. And then all of the things that we're talking about here are automatically connected. So we're looking at the end and kind of working our way back here with the shipping settings. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that. I will see you guys in the next video where we will continue talking about the workspace settings.